Hello there techies, my name is Malevasada and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will take a look at how can we create the organization-wide document library or a list template so that anybody in the organization using SharePoint can use it and create it. When we are in any team site or the modern communication site, when you click on New, you get an options of List and Document Library. By clicking on Document Library or List, you get default templates from Microsoft. Let's wait for this page to load. You see, for the document library, Microsoft has provided 3 templates. Similarly, when you go ahead and click on New List, Microsoft has also provided numerous templates like an employee onboarding, issue tracker. So the idea here is templates to be made available to the entire organization. So in any site, if anybody wants to refer this template while creating the list or document library, they can simply use it. For consistency, when you click on From Your Organization, right now you do not see any option. If we would like to have any document library or a list that acts as a template for the entire organization, we can do that using PnP PowerShell. And that is what we are going to cover. So let's get started. Now for that, first we are going to take an example of products document. We first need a document library. We have a products document that of course has the default columns, and then we have a product tier, document type, and sales representative. What we want is we want to enable this products document as a template so that it becomes available across all the sites in the tenant. So let's go and see how can we do that. I'm in the Visual Studio Code and installed already PnP PowerShell module. So let's go and import that. Now we will be needing certain variables first. So let's go and initialize them. So very first is the site URL. Where is our document library template? Which document library we want to refer it as a template? So let me grab the site URL. Now let's see which one is the doclib name that we want to refer. So we will be referring the products documents document library. Then we want to give a name to the template that we will define, and that is also going to be products documents template. Let's also provide the template description. Use this document library template that houses documents related to the products. We also want to provide the template thumbnail. So let's give it template thumbnail. I already have uploaded a thumbnail in one of the document library. So let's go and refer that. Now that we have initialized all the variable, let's start connecting to the SharePoint site. So connect PnP Online, specify the site, which is the site URL. It will ask for the credentials automatically. Now let's get the doclib template, okay, and which one we are going to refer. So we are going to refer get PnP site script from list, and then specify the list, and that list is going to be doclib name. Okay, so this will act as the document library template. Now what we need to do is we need to create the site script from this template. So let's go and create that. We will also be storing this into a variable called site script. So let's initialize that variable. Add PnP site script. Okay, what will be the name of that? So the name will be the template name. What will be the description of that? That will be the template description. And what will be the content? So the content is going to be the doclib template. So we are going to add the entire document library template into the site script. Now then we need to add the list design for this specific site script. So let's add that. So add PnP site design. Okay. Specify the template. It's going to be template name again. Specify the description. It's going to be the template description. Which site script we are referring? So we are referring the site script from the previous step. And finally a thumbnail URL that we want to refer, so that will be the template thumbnail. Okay, and let's finally go and write a message. Document library template has been created successfully in the green color. And also it is not the site design, but it is the list design. Okay, now we're good to go. Let's go and hit run. And as you can see, document library template has been successfully created. Okay, let's go and validate this. Let's hit refresh. Click on new document library. Click on from your organization. And there you see the product documentation template available. When you click on that, you would see, of course, the folder is empty, but you can see the template description and the template itself. Okay, so this is a sales site. If you go to other site called retail, let's click on new document library from your organization, and there also you can see the product documentation. So you can click on use template. Let's just remove this word for now. And let's click on create. So we are creating the products document from the organization level products document template. And there we have it. As you can see, it has the default columns and the product tier, document type, and sales representative as defined in the template. So I hope this simple example helped you to understand how can you create the organization level template for a document library or list using PnP PowerShell. I thank you so much for watching the video.